Kia push-start key fobs use advanced encryption to prevent unauthorized cloning. Dealership programming is often required, especially for models introduced from the mid-2010s onwards, including the Forte, Sorento, and Telluride. Newer models, particularly EVs like the EV9 and hybrids, sometimes support remote pairing via the Kia Connect app through over-the-air updates. Key fobs operate using low-frequency radio waves for proximity detection and high-frequency for commands, employing rolling codes and frequency hopping for security. Fundamentals include a pairing process that typically involves cycling the ignition or using a scan tool to write the fob's code into the ECU, at a cost of $50 to $200 at a dealership. Remember that DIY attempts often fail due to encryption and can potentially void warranties. Kia key systems are evolving towards digital and biometric integration for enhanced security and convenience. Smartphone-based digital keys using NFC or Bluetooth are becoming common through the Kia Connect app. By 2026-2027, Kia plans to incorporate fingerprint and facial recognition in electric vehicles for enhanced security. Alternatives include smaller, eco-friendly key fobs made with renewable materials, aligning with sustainability goals. Increased cybersecurity measures include quantum-resistant encryption to prevent vehicle hacks. App-based keys are projected to dominate Kia vehicles by 2030, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Remember that DIY programming can lead to issues like triggering error codes or immobilizing the vehicle. Always prioritize official methods or dealership services to avoid costly errors and security risks.